92% of New Year's goals fail, and most fail before January ends. But guess what? It's not because you're lazy or you lack willpower. It's because most people set their goals their own way. Today, I'll share 3 powerful strategies that will help you not only set better goals for 2025, but to actually achieve those goals. Stick around because I'll reveal one tiny habit at the end of the video that can boost your success by over 40%. I'm Horia Grigorescu and welcome to our channel Quantum Prosper. I'm 36 years old, a husband, a dad, a lawyer, an entrepreneur, a former public servant, and someone who knows how it is to juggle the big goals and the life challenges. This year, I've made it my mission to help you unlock your full potential. In this video, we will dive deeper into the strategies that successful people use to crush their goals. Things like smarter goal setting, habit stacking, and accountability. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with actionable tools to make 2025 your most productive year yet. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. Most goals fail because they're vague. I want to save money, or I want to get in shape. The Smarter framework fixes this. Here's how it works. 1. Specific. What exactly do you want to achieve? 2. Measurable. How will you track your progress? 3. Achievable. Is it realistic? 4. Relevant. Does it align with your values? 5. Time-bound. When will you achieve it? 6. Evaluate. Regularly review your progress. 7. Revise. Adjust if needed. Instead of saying, I want to save money, try this. I'll save $5,000 by September by putting away $625 each month. It's specific, measurable, and relevant to your goals. Plus, with evaluate and revise steps, you can stay adaptable. Even the best goals fail without consistent action. That's where habit stacking comes in at Atomic Habits. It's all about linking new habits to existing ones. Want to start journaling, for example? Tie it to your morning coffee. After I pour my coffee, I'll write 3 things I'm grateful for. This makes a new habit atomic because it's anchored to something you already do. Think of it like upgrading your phone's operating system. Smoother, faster, and you barely notice the changes. Pair habit stacking with a habit tracker like Habitica or Notion. Tracking progress gives you motivation. It's like getting a gold star every single day. Okay, quick break here. If you're enjoying this and you want to take more information about goal setting and move it to the next level, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I've got more strategies coming up your direction to help you crush your goals for this year. Now, let's talk about accountability. Having someone to keep you accountable increases your success rate by 65%. Regular check-ins, that skyrockets to 95%. Partner with a friend, a coach, or join an online community. Share your goals and schedule weekly updates. It's important not just to make the check-ins, it's about staying focused and motivated on those goals you have. Now, here's a bonus tip. Create a vision board or timeline for 2025. Use Canva or Pinterest to map the milestones. January to March, build an emergency fund. April to June, start a side hustle. Seeing your progress visually is incredibly motivating. Take, for example, Novak Djokovic. He doesn't aim to win championships. He focuses on improving specific skill at a time, each one at a time. So also, you can do this by breaking the big goals into smarter ones and achieve milestone one by one. Here's the habit that I promised. Spend just 2 minutes every morning reviewing your top 3 priorities for the day. The research shows that this simple habit boosts your success rate by 42%. So, let's quickly recap. 1. Use the Smarter framework to set clear, flexible goals. 2. Build consistency with habit stacking. 3. Stay accountable and visualize your journey. And 4. Don't forget to spend those 2 minutes every day reviewing your goals because it's a small habit, but it gets huge positive results. Want more strategies like this? Subscribe to Quantum Prosper. I'm here to help make 2025 the most productive year yet for you. If today's video helped, leave a comment with your biggest takeaway or let me know what strategy you want me to cover in depth next. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with someone who who's ready to crush their 2025 goals and make it the best year until now.